Hello YouTubers, welcome to TechCraft. Let's make a fuse with some matches today. So to make it, we're gonna need a lighter, a matchbox containing 40 to 50 sticks, a small straw, and finally a plier. The straw I'm using is about 7 cm long. With 40 to 50 matches, we could make a fuse of about 7 cm long. That's why I'm using it. Now we need to extract the match powder from the matches. To do it, I am using the plier. Just roll the match between the plier tip and it works just fine. Crush the matchhead and extract the powder into the empty matchbox. While doing it, the plier tip will be affected by the match powder. Remove the powder using a small needle. Like this, I have removed all the powder from the plier tip. This is the match powder that I get from extracting 40 matches. Now take a full size paper and drop the powder into the center. Using the plier, crush the powder gently. This will crush all the big pieces. Now we need to fold the paper into half. Okay. We need to take the straw and burn the tip of the straw now. For that I am using a lighter. Try to use only less heat, otherwise you may burn the straw and the whole process get ruined. You need to take another straw for doing that, so be careful. Now all we need to do is fill the straw with the match powder. Try to leave a 0.5 cm line at the tip. Then only we could stick this end also. Okay. Now we need to stick the tip of the straw. Using the plier, crush the tip and burn the tip with lighter. Okay, that's it. Technically we have finished making our fuse. The final fuse should look something like this. And now it's time for the test. Let's go. This is a hydroponic net cup and I'm keeping the fuse upright and burning it. 3, 2, 1, go. So you can see the flashing flame of a fuse. This is how you can make a fuse with just matches and a straw. If you like this video, drop a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more of these kind of videos. Bye, see you in the next video.